Now, Pakistan will file its response in the Kulbhushan Jadhav case today at the International Court of Justice. Some reports within Pakistani media say that the legal team has compiled a detailed reply after holding consultations with all its concerned departments. Pakistan's ambassador in Netherlands will submit the reply. Pakistan is expected to base its defense on the argument of ICJ jurisdiction in the case. India has submitted its arguments back in September. Back then, the Indian Ministry of External Affairs in a statement had said that the Pakistan has violated the WION Convention on Consular Relations. Kulbhushan Jadhav is an Indian national who was falsely arrested in Pakistan on charges of espionage. And on this, I'm joined by Taha. Taha, so what next now? At what level the discussions will be held today?
Well, from what we understand today, basically the Pakistani side will be filing a response at the International Court of Justice with regards to Kulbhushan Jadhav. The deadline that was given to Pakistan was December 13th, which expires today. Ashtar Osaf, Pakistan's Attorney General, along with the lawyer that Pakistan has hired, they've made the response. I spoke to Ashtar Osaf earlier, and he said that the response will be filed according to what the Indian version was, and the Indian side had said, and Pakistan will respond accordingly to that. From what we understand, the response will include, reminding the ICJ of what Kulbhushan Jadhav did in Pakistan with regards to his espionage activities, and also some reports suggest that Pakistan will once again be invoking the fact that that India cannot Pakistan and India in a matter like this, Pakistan and India, which is a bilateral matter of spying in each's country. The ICJ has no jurisdiction to rule in favor of India or Pakistan, and that is going to be the main argument in this particular response that they will be filing today.
How long, in your understanding, this matter is going to continue in the court? Or are we nearer to some sort of conclusion on Kulbhushan Jadhav when it comes to international arena, Taha?
Well, right now, Karthike, basically, the Indian side have already filed the response. Pakistan today will file the response. ICJ will be giving a hearing date. Now, the hearing date could come in some weeks or could come in the next few months. But it seems like for now, it will continue on for some time before final conclusive final conclusion is reached. And in time, as the ICJ had earlier on said, that there seems to be a sort of a stay order with regards to the death sentencing, carrying out the death sentencing of Kulbhushan Jadhav, although Pakistan continues to say that it does not, ICJ does not have any jurisdiction over it. But despite that, we are seeing sort of a unsaid kind of a delay and unsaid kind of a stay in Kulbhushan's death sentencing. The appeal of his, to review his death sentencing is still pending in front of the Army Chief of Pakistan. And the Army Chief has not taken a decision on it despite the passage of a few months. Now, we also know the family is visiting this month on December 25th. The mother and the wife will be visiting. So, definitely for Kulbhushan Jadhav, there is some progress on some. But as far as the ICJ is concerned, that seems to be sort of still a long shot as to when a decision will finally come through them.
Thank you, Taha. Thank you for this update. This is one news which will be keenly watched both in India and Pakistan, because Kulbhushan Jadhav is a case on which there are two extremely different opinions, and Kulbhushan Jadhav case is also important in context of India, because India continues to say that he's not a spy, he was abducted from Chabahar. Pakistan says that he was spying in Pakistan.